Now we will start about the document posting and open item management. So basically, so far what we did, we have posted the document. Okay. So far we have posted the document and we have seen the outstanding balances in FBL 1N. So FBL 1N. See, we have seen, sorry, FBL 3N. In FBL 3N, we have seen the outstanding balance. See, these are the outstanding. Sorry, not on 16th. I will take on 10. See, we have 10. Okay. Now we will see. We'll post on document. So here we have open item management. See, let's say if you have posted the document. So this is called provision. Provision means the payment which has to be done. Okay. The provision means the payment which has to be done, and then that payment has to make as a full payment, as partial payment, as or residual payment. Okay, these are called full clearing means entire the provision will have to make a full payment. Okay, full payment clearing means we are making the payment for this particular provision. Okay, so once again we'll see, we'll go with FB50 T code and we will post one document. Okay, so I'll post this document, electricity expenses against outstanding expenses. Then we will see the balances in FBL3N. Then we will make the full payment. Then we'll go for again BAM payment. So I will go to FB60, FB50. I'll go to FB50. And here you can see here, make sure that this is the company code. If you want to change, one second. If you want to change the company code, here you have an option called switch company code. If you want to switch it to your own company code, you just enter it. It will be updated. Now, here I will enter the document posting date same as document date. Enter. Now let's say I'm posting. This is for testing. Testing I am doing it. So here, as you can see here, in FBN01 we have entered. See, this is our header details and this is our item details. In FB01, what we did in the previous session, so we were getting a it will be a lengthier process. So in FB50 we will be getting, in a single screen we will be getting all the items. So let's say I will make it as uh, so click on this electricity expenses, enter, and I will make it as electricity expenses against the outstanding expenses. See here, you can see electricity expenses debit, outstanding credit. Electricity expenses debit, outstanding credit. Let's say I'm making 1500. And here you can use hashtag button so that it will copy the first line item. See there? It has copied. Now here if you want to maintain the text, let's say I will maintain it as a electricity expenses. See whatever you have posted in FB01, na, similar, see same functionality. From now onwards, you can use FB50 T code to post the transaction. Enter. Now I will simulate this. Make sure that it should be green color. When it will be green color. See, total debit should be equal to total credit. So simulate. See, fine, and I will post this. See, now I have posted the document. See, document is created 10000. Okay, document is created 10000. Now what I will do, you can check the line item. So if we have a T code /n FBL3N, so you can check with respect to your GL account and you can check all the line items. See, we are getting this line item. Okay, so one second. Here you have to use this. Then execute. Now see, this means this is open. That means it is a open item. Open item, it is a balances that we will have to clear it. Okay. And we have one more T code. As you can see here, FS10N. This is GL balances. FS10N. And you can see these are all will be used for the reporting purpose. If you go with the outstanding expenses GL, you can see it is credited to outstanding balances. Okay, even you can check your electricity expenses 400001. I think it is 2. Execute. See here we have electricity expenses is debit. So total balance what it is showing 1500 is balance, cumulative balance. Still we have not cleared it. Now we will go with full clearing. To post the payment, see, let me tell you once again, this is the provision we have entered. Then we are going to make the payment now with this. Okay. To post the full payment or partial payment or residual payment, we'll go with F-07 code. Now I will go to, so I will show you this, the difference of this. Once again, I'll open the Excel sheet. Now, so this is the GL balance. Now you can see here. So this is total outstanding balance. Okay. This is for electricity expenses. Now you can check with the same outstanding expenses. So if you go to 300001, you can see this is credit. So this is credit. I'm taking the screenshot of it. This is credit. So I will make it here. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. Now I will go back and I will make the full payment. Okay. Using F-07. Observe here /n F-07. And what amount you will have to clear? 1500, right? So here I will copy this date. See, automatically KZ document has been triggered. Why? This is an outgoing payment. So here bank data means your cash GL. So from where? It means from where? From which account you are making the payment? So from cash GL. What is my cash GL? 200005. See here, this is my cash GL. See, cash account. How much amount I am paying? One second. Once again, server is a bit slow. Okay. Now, what is the amount? 1500. And then here I will make a full payment. So to which account? This is outstanding expenses. Okay. 300001. I am making from the bank cash account to outstanding expenses. Observe here. Now, see, while you are posting this, the moment you press enter, this window will open. Posting outgoing payment. So make sure that it should be 0, not assigned should be 0. Then it will be balanced. See, amount entered. I have entered the amount 1500. Assigned, the invoice amount is 1500. You can see the invoice number as well as we have created na here. Okay. So that is my invoice amount. Okay. Now what I will do, I will post this. See, this is my invoice amount. Post it. Okay. See now document 150000 is created. Now if you go to FBL3N, observe here. If you check open item, see no items are available. Why? It is cleared. If you check on cleared items, you will get the cleared items here. See, 1000 this is invoice. So this is minus, that means this is credited and this is debited. See here, KZ document. With respect to the KZ document, you will come to know what type of document you have posted. If you want to see the details of it, you can double click on this and you can see the posting. And again, you can go to this overview here in the icon. See, this is my posting. Okay, now See, cash account is credited and outstanding account is debited. Now, if you go to FS10N, observe this is very important. If you enter your outstanding expenses, now see no balance. See here we are getting no balance. You know, credit and debited. So see both has happened. Now, as you can see in the Excel sheet, it was having a balance. Now it is cleared. Okay, now we made a payment. This is about the full clearing. Okay, let's say if you have multiple invoices, let's say I will post two more invoices. So this is test one. I will use same account. This is credit, electricity expenses debit. Let's say now it is 1000. Again, outstanding expenses credit, same value, enter. Now I will post, and I will post one more document. See, 10000 on credit. I will post one more document. Same, you can use it. Now I am going to make the payment. So I am going to put the provision of rent expense. This is debit and this is credit. Let's say this time 1800 and 1800. Post it. Yeah, posted the document. Now, if you go to FBL3N, you will get the line items. See, two items. So one is electricity expenses, another one is rent expenses. Okay. Now, so if you double click on this, you can see the details. If you go to overview, you can see the details here. So this is electricity expenses. If you want to edit it here, okay, this is electricity expense. Text I am not getting it. So select this and go to change document, and I will give here text as electricity expenses. Save it. So now you can see you will get the text here. You just refresh it. See, you are getting the text. Again, this I don't know, right? Double click on this document number. Okay, go to change. So if you go to details here, you can say this is my salary expenses. Okay, go back. So select this and go to change. And now here I will make it as salary expenses. Save. Okay, so here if you refresh, see, this is my salary expenses. Let's say I have multiple documents. In that I want to make only the electricity expenses payment. Understand carefully this. So open this. See, you can practice. See, today after the session you will have to practice and submit the assignment. Okay, don't practice multiple classes in a single stretch. Whatever I do on the day, you will have to practice on the same day, or else you get lot of confusions. So now I will go to F-07 T code as we have in the document. See, F-07, enter the date. Let's say I don't know what amount I have to post because I have multiple documents. Let's say I will just press 1, and here I will make it as outstanding. Press enter. See, here I want to make the payment only this 1800. In that case, what you have to do, see what it is coming. Amount I have entered only 1 rupee, 1 INR, but assigned amount is 2800, but I want to pay only 1800. In that case, you can see it is represented in blue color. I want to deactivate this. I'm not going to make the payment of this 1000. What you have to do is you will have to deactivate this invoice. Double click on this. See, it has deactivated. It has turned to black. Now you can see how much balance we are getting. 1800. See, this is activated. 1800. Now amount entered, still it is 1. We need to enter 1800. To edit the amount, you need to go to charge of difference, then double click on this credit item, then here we will have to enter 1800, then click on process open item. Observe here, now it is balanced. Now if you make the payment, it will be cleared this amount. This will be in outstanding only. Post it. See, posted. Now if you go back to this screen, I will refresh this. What happens? See, 1800 is cleared. If you want to see the cleared item, go to cleared item and execute it. You can see the cleared item. See, the salary expenses is cleared. If you want to see the both the items, so you can go to all items and you can see both open item and cleared item. Okay, see, this is cleared and this is open item. So this is how you can post your document, and this is how you can clear your documents. Okay, see, these T codes are all very important. I will ask you in the mock interview. Okay, remember all the T codes, make a note of it. Next, now we have done with the full clearing. So next we have partial clearing. Partial clearing means, let's say if you have posted a provision of 1000, if you are making in the 2-part payment or any more than 1-part payment, if you are doing, you can go with the partial payment. Residual payment is also similar to that. Okay, but in part payment, until unless if you won't clear the outstanding expenses, it will be displayed on the open item. That is the difference. In residual clearing, whatever the part payment you will clear, it will be removed from the open item. I will show you the difference. Okay, so what I will do, I will delete this. Okay, now I will I will post one document. See, I think already we have one document. Go to open item. Let's say this is my document, electricity expenses. I will make the payment in 2 parts. In that case, what you can do is, you can go to F-07, enter this. Let's say I want to make only 600. Observe this. And this outstanding. This is for, okay, outgoing payment. Enter. Now you can see see, this is not balanced. See, to make the part payment, you will have